Hi guys, my name is Gift. So today I'm gonna show you how I gonna build is Lego City Race Car 660399 set. I love this race car set and it's so cool. And chicken was one of those those things. This I see the minifigure. One minifigure is taking pictures for that lady is busy racing with that car, and it's so cool. And I can and yeah, let's 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 move on to the next box. I'm gonna here is this that set, and it is and too many figures. We gonna get too many figures, and and what is the well, oh, that is the helmet and the camera and the trophy and the car. And I can't wait guys to build one of those these things. And can you please guys support my videos guys? Yeah, can you please support my videos guys? If you want, if you want to watch my videos, go to YouTube and research Lego Play. You're gonna find me there. Yeah, so before there is the set. I'm gonna build one of those this thing right now. And I I got instruction book. I'm gonna to use it how I gonna build this set. Let me open the instruction book is set. I have to take please guys, can you please enjoy my channel? What is that piece? I need. Oh, okay. No. Here's the finished set. Here's the finished set, and this car, I love it, and it's so beautiful. And check out those one of those things I put it. This is the basis. I love this car, and it's so cool. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you love my video, can you please and like and subscribe to my video. I'm gonna see you to the next one video, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much, and I love you guys. And checking these things, and we got the trophy. Thank you guys for watching my video. If you love my video, can you please, and thank you guys for watching my video. I love you so much, guys. Thank you.